Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Co. TSMC shares saw their largest drop in 3 months, falling by as much as 6.5% as trading resumed after a 2-day break due to Typhoon Gaemi. This decline is part of a broader sell-off in the technology sector, driven by disappointing earnings reports from major U.S. tech companies and growing skepticism about the AI hype. The Taiex index, heavily influenced by TSMC, fell more than 4%, approaching a technical correction. Concerns over TSMC's high valuation, potential U.S. restrictions on chip sales to China, and profit-taking are contributing to the stock's downturn. Additionally, there are fears that the AI investment boom, which had previously fueled significant market gains, might be losing momentum. Earlier this year, the surge in AI-related stocks had led to unprecedented investment activity in Taiwan, prompting regulatory warnings about herd behavior